What's going on, guys? So today we are going to be trying to figure out what is going on with the 300. We got my boy Matt with the auto ambulance. Pulls up with the whole truck full of tools. So yeah, hopefully we can get this thing figured out. Probably a blown motor, probably a blown piston ring, but something's not right. So yeah, we're gonna try to fix it. Hopefully we can figure it out. Pray for me, guys. So we just hooked up the vacuum pressure gauge to where the oil dipstick goes. So now we're gonna start the car and see how much pressure we have to kind of base what the next step is. Start it all the way?
Yep. Oh, your vacuum.
Oh yeah.
Scratch that.
What's he thinking about that? That a little mess up. Now we gotta put the vacuum hose back on. All right, round two.
Round two.
I pulled the keys out like an idiot.
Like
Jeez
a
Louise.
moron.
That's not drinking. All right, you ready?
Yep.
The oil pressure is up to like 6, or it was like 90. All right, guys, so we definitely have pressure coming from the crankcase into the oil pan. So now it's time to do a leak down test to find out for sure if the rings are bad. But it looks like they probably are bad. So drop some comments. What engine should we go with in the 300ZX? Definitely don't want to put another VG in it just because, I don't know, I want to do something different. Fuck a VG. But yeah, so drop a comment down below. We're going to test these and see for sure that the rings are bad or not. All right, guys, so now it is time to finally do the leak down test. The video is basically a couple of days apart just because we were waiting on Matt and everything.
Hello.
So now we're gonna do a leak down test and find out for sure if it is the piston rings or not. If the leak down test, if it doesn't leak down, then it's probably something to do with the PCV system. And then we're gonna be just deleting it and going with a catch can and yeah, turbo stuff. But yeah, so let's see if these piston rings are bad. Cross your fingers that they aren't bad because I do not wanna have to rebuild this engine or put a new engine in right now. I would like to just drive my car. All right, guys, so we just did cylinder 1 and we have basically low blow by, which means that the piston ring in that cylinder is good. So now it's on to number 3, because I'm pretty sure it goes on the passenger side it's 1, 3, 5, and then on the driver's side it's 2, 4, 6. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, but now it's time to get to the next one. All right, guys, bad news, the piston rings are bad. This is the way to see. Basically, you put air in right there, and that should not be happening. That's full of air. So, not good. See? And right now, both of the valves are closed, the intake valve and the exhaust valves. So, it's coming out of here, which would explain the smoking and all the problems. So now, the decision is what engine are we putting in? Or are we rebuilding this engine? I don't know yet. Comment down below what I should do.
Get a Honda.
Yeah, sell it and get a Honda. No, I'm just kidding, guys.
Or Toyota.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind a Supra. No, I'm just kidding. Or 300, ST300. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Really sad day for the Z, but it is what it is. These things happen. Basically, just now we got a lot more work to do before we can get on the road. But you know, you live and you learn. Hopefully, once we get it fixed, we can drive it a lot and not have to worry about any of these problems. But thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button to, you know, cheer me up a little bit because I'm pretty sad about this, not gonna lie. And if you wanna cop a Z-Gang hoodie or any of the Chills merch, Z-Gang merch, it'll be up here. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.